Kũrĩ na Hahũ wodi-inĩ ya Endo gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kĩa Marakwet ya irathĩro kaunti-inĩ ya Elgeyo Marakwet kũrũmĩrĩra kũragwo kwa andũ atatũ. Andũ acio atatũ moragĩtwo nĩ andũ kũratuĩka marageria kũhahũra thirikari nĩ ũgitĩri ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere kũgacĩrithio mwena ũcio. Cukuru igĩcokwo arutwo na arutani mahetwo ũgitĩri nĩ maobitha a borithi arĩa mamarũgamĩrĩire, na ũyũ rĩu nĩguo ũgũkorwo ũrĩ mũtugo wa cukuru yothe ya mũingĩ kũrangĩrwo nĩ maobitha erĩ a borithi nginyagia ũgitĩri ũrũme biũ gũkũ.
Once we are done with that, each school will be manned by 10 national police reservists. They will be supported by specialist units that are already stationed strategically within that area. We have an additional 100 NPRs coming. Already on the ground we have 60 NPR. So really I can say with confidence that the security is now in place. There is no cause for alarm, and residents should go back to their respective homes because there are few who are yet to return. We have also made adequate arrangements in feeding the children who are returning to school, including the parents who are also bringing their children to school.
Na kuona cukuru imwe cia mũingĩ nĩ ciatharĩririo ũru nĩ mĩici ya mahiũ igĩtuthũra mĩcinga, komishona wa gĩtarũ kĩa Rift Valley nĩ eranĩire atĩ thirikari nĩ gũtigĩra cukuru icio igĩrĩ nĩ ciacokereria.
Well, there are a number of schools that will not open. There are two main ones, that is Rugus Primary School and Ngelecha Primary School. These schools were badly affected many years back. The infrastructure is destroyed. There is no evidence of school there. In some instances, you hardly notice whether there was a school there. So it would require a lot of financial input in bringing back those schools. But a lot is being done, and not in the distant future. These schools will reopen and resume normal operations.
Arĩa marĩ na mĩcinga rĩu merĩtwo meke mĩtũkĩ na kũmĩcokia kuona thirikari nĩ ĩhotorete kũhĩtana nao.
So what is happening, these are normal petty criminals who are daring the security forces, who are also daring the neighbors and trying to impress upon the notion that perhaps despite the fact that there is a lot of deployment, they can still continue with their impunity. So what we are telling them that is they will not go anywhere. They are not going, it will not proceed as normal because we are planning for them. We are in the process of acting on them, and soon, I'm repeating soon, the business that they are engaged in will be a thing of the past.
Kwa ihinda iraya kaunti-ĩno ya Elgeyo Marakwet ĩkoretwo na Hahũ wa ũgitĩri kaingĩ nĩ ũndũ wa ũici wa mahiũ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.